Morning folks, it's another mushroom clip just showing you that Bianca's picked those mushrooms yesterday. This is what another 24 hours growth looks like compared to the YouTube clip that I posted yesterday. Sorry, I got a bit of a cold, I'm a bit scattered this morning. But yeah, they're just looking
insane.
Yes, and these guys over here, and we're not getting any of the die-off that we had with the last lot either, so I'm not too sure what we've done differently this time. But yeah, they're definitely producing a lot better.
The heads in there don't look like they're dying off either.
The little small ones? Oh wow, no they don't. See if we can focus in a bit better for you folks.
Have a look at that.
Oh wow, and underneath, oh those ones there, those darker brown ones, they look like they might die off in a bort.
Yeah.
And some in there. But wow, they're two of the biggest flushes I think we've had, aren't they?
Yes, oh definitely.
Definitely, and these are the Johnny Utahs, by the way. And this one down here, if you want to just tilt him back for me too, please, babe.
Oh, this is the weird looking one.
This is Bianca's got the phobia of little
certain textures and shapes.
Yeah,
and this is one of them.
That doesn't look too bad. Once they flatten out, you'll be right, B.
Yes.
Yes.
When they look more like mushrooms.
So anyway, I just thought I'd give you guys a bit of a look at this, at another 24 hours growth compared to the clip I posted yesterday. And just to let you know, little clips like this, if we do decide to go ahead with the members tab on YouTube, these are the sort of little clips you can expect to see there. I already post them 3 or 4 times a week over on Patreon. But yeah, just little updates like this is what the sort of perks the members would be getting. Over on Patreon, we do this as well as a hangout for the 3rd tier patrons as well, where we get together. I still think those ones up there might have died off.
Yeah, I think they may.
Sorry, just in there. But yeah, we're still going to be doing the Zoom hangouts for the folks over on Patreon as well. So there you go. We might look at doing hangouts for the people on YouTube who decide to become members as well. We might just wait and see. But these mushrooms, they're just crazy. Anyway, I'm going to go have a coffee and
I'm going to
spray the mushrooms. Hope you're all doing well, folks, and I'll catch you online. Cheers all.